ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीमभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्। शु धातु लिप्ट। So shu is anudatta. Being anudatta, ekacha upadeshenudattat iti idabhavaha. Then there is another sutra for lit. Krisr bhrvr studrusrushchuvoliti kradi niyama. Even according to kradi niyama, shu dhatu will not get it. Why? Because shu is there. Krisra bhrvra studrusru shuvaha. Shu is also included. So etesham dhatunam liti it na bhavati. Tasmat it na. So therefore in no form shu will get it. No it at all. Whether it thal or vas or mas, it doesn't have it. Yeah. So shu plus lit. In the place of lit, null. And in the place of null, sorry, not in the place of lit, null. In the place of lit, tip. In the place of tip, null. So null. So then shu plus a. It is a nit. Nit causes vriddhi. Acho nyuniti iti vriddhi. But before vriddhi, we have to do doubling, dritva. Because virvachane aji. So this vriddhi is an ajadesha. And what is following is ach. So virvachana nimitte achi pare achaha adeshaha na bhavati dvitve kartavye. So this is ach nimittaka virvachana. Sorry, ach nimittaka ajadesha. It doesn't happen before dvitva. Therefore, first liti dhator anabhyasasya iti doubling dvitvam. So shu va liti dhator anabhyasasya iti. So then abhyasa karya. What is the abhyasa karya here? Haraswaha, haladishesha. Here we have shakara and repa. So repa will go, only sha will remain. So shu plus null. Oh sorry, is already there. This is null. So now vriddhi. Acho nyuniti iti vriddhi. Shu becomes shau. Shu Shau ha. Then Echo yava yavaha. I adesha. Shush, sorry, not I. Av. Shushava. Shushava. Then atus. Shu plus atus. Yeah. So shushu plus atus. Ritva. Shushu plus atus. Now अचिष्णुधातु ध्रुवाम योह इयंगमनो इति उवंग आदेशः. शुश्रु शुश्रुव atus. So here guna or vriddhi will not happen because this is kit.
Not
Yeah, being a kit, a sanyoga lit kit, it will not cause guna or vriddhi. Then achishnu dhatu bhruvam yoho yangma. So, of course, yan sandhi was prapta, but achishnu dhatu bhruvam supersedes yan. Sushruvatuhu. So you write the sutra Achishnu Dhatu Bhruvam. Sushruvatuhu. Sushruvatus. Then Rutva Visargau. Sushruvatuhu. Shushava. Shushruvatu. Similarly, Shushruvuhu. Shushruvuhu. Shushava. Shushruvatuhu. Shushruvuhu. Then Shu plus Thal. Shu plus Tha. Now what will happen? Sorry, before that. Yeah. Thal. What can Thal cause? Thal is Pitta. Being Pitta, it is not Kit. Therefore, ardhadhatuka guna is possible. Sarvadhatuka ardhadhatuka yoho iti gunaha is possible. So, Shu plus Tha will then the guna sarvadhatuka ardhadhatuka yoho. This guna will happen before doubling. Why? Virvachanechi won't work. Virvachanechi won't work here because it is not ach. It is not a Dvitva-nimitta ach. The Dvitva-nimitta is not ajadi. So sarvadhatuka ardhadhatuka yoho iti ardhadhatuka guna. Because of since it is ardhadhatuka, it causes guna. How this is ardhadhatuka? Lit. Because of lit, being lit, it is ardhadhatuka. So shro plus tha. Now dvitva. Shro tha. Shro tha. Now here hraswaha. Abhyasasya hraswaha. Sho becomes hraswa. What is the hraswa of sho? O ityasya hraswa.
U.
Yeah. O ityasya hraswa U. So shro becomes a shu. Then haladi shesha again shu. Shushrotha. Shushrotha. Shushruvathuhu. Shushruva. Simple. And shush. Uttama purusha. Naluttamo va. In one paksha, there will be vriddhi. If it is taken as nikt, there will be vriddhi. Therefore, shushava. Another paksha, no nikt. Nidabhava pakshe. Nitva abhava pakshe. What will happen? Guna. It is a pitta ardha dhatuka. Therefore, guna. Shushava. Guna and av adesha. Shushava or shushava. Shushruva. Shushruva and shushruva. Shushruva and shushruva. There won't be guna or vriddhi, no it. So shushava, shushuvatuhu, shushruvuhu, shushotha, shushuvatuhu, shushruva, shushava, shushava, shushruva, shushruva. It is anudatta, therefore no it. So su plus das plus in the place of tit you get a da. So then te lopa etc. So shu plus ta. Okay, before that tas ardha dhatuka guna, ardha dhatuka guna. Sho tas plus da. Then tilopa. Shota. Shota. This shota is different from the kridanta. Shotra. Shotra is different. Shotra also becomes shota in prathama vibhakti ekavachana. This is different. Shota. Shotaro, shotatha, shotasi, shotastha, shotastha, shotasmi, shotasvaha, shotasmaha. Lut lakara. Then drit sya. Shu plus sya plus ti. Sya is ardha dhatuka. Sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukayoho iti gunaha. Shosyati. Then sya sakara will get murdhanya adesha. Adesha pratyayoho iti. Therefore, shoshyati, shoshyati, shoshyataha, shoshyanti, shoshyasi, shoshyatha, shoshyatha, shoshyami, shoshyavaha, shoshyamaha. Drat lakara. Then lot. In lot also we get shnu and shuvaha shucha. Shuvaha shucha. Shu adesha happens. Then it will be shru Shunu. You can derive how it is. Shunot. Natva also. Yeah, Natva also will happen. Shunotu. And if the lot is in Ashihi, what will happen? Lot is used in the sense of Ashihi, then Shunutat. Tuhyo statan Ashishanyatarasyam. Shunotu, Shunutat. Optionally, Shunutat. We have not done this for other dhatus, after Bhu dhatu, I suppose, but we should supply this. For everything, there will be an Ashihi form of lot. Shunotu, Shunutat. Then, Shunutam. Shunvantu, we need another sutra. Okay, that is done. Shunvantu, yeah, in Shunvantu, what happens? Hushnuvo sarvadhatuke. Hushnuvo sarvadhatuke. We have seen the sutra in the previous class.
Yeah.
So, Hushnuvo sarvadhatuke ukarasya yan adesho bhavati. It is an exception to uvang adesha. Had there been no Hushnuvo sarvadhatuke, it would have been Shunuvant. Yeah. Yeah. So Shunvant is the form. You can derive on your own. You know the sutras. So then, yeah, for Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, we need a sutra. Utaschat pratyayada sanyoga purvat.
Niti. Kingiti. And Angasya.
Angasya, it is complete. Pratyaya, here pratyaya should be understood as pratyaya avayava. Utaha is U with the tapara. The ut should be pratyaya avayava. Pratyaya avayavaha ukaraha. And it should be asanyoga purva. Pratyaya avayavaha asanyoga purvaha yaha ukaraha. Tataha parasya he nama hi ityasya luk bhavati. Pratyaya avayava asanyoga purvat pratyaya avayavat ukarat utaha parasya. All these are panchami because these two are adjective to utaha. Asanyoga purvat and pratyaya avayavat. He sthani luk bhavati. The ukara should not be sanyoga purva. Ukara should not be preceded by a sanyoga. And ukara should be pratyaya avayava. Then After that ukara, the he gets elide. See the book. उतश्च प्रत्ययाद संयोग पूर्वात्
उदश्च प्रत्ययात् संयोगपूर्वात्
असंयोग पूर्वात्
असंयोगपूर्वात्
प्रत्ययोतः
प्रत्ययोतः
हे लुक्
लुक्
असंयोग पूर्वात् संयोगः पूर्वः यस्मात् असौ संयोगपूर्वः न संयोगपूर्वः असंयोगपूर्वः बहुव्रीहि गर्भित नन्य तत्पुरुष समास तस्मात् असंयोगपूर्वात् प्रत्ययोतः नाम प्रत्ययस्य अवयवस्य उकारस्य प्रत्यय उत् मीन्स प्रत्यय अवयव उत् हे look, he gets look. Look is an elision of the pratyaya. Pratyayasya lukshlulopaha iti. So since it is look, the whole pratyaya goes away. Yeah, the he is a pratyaya. Entire he will go. Suppose he had said he lopaha. What would have happened? Antyasya. Here antyasya won't work. Since it is pratyayasya, whole pratyaya, since it is look, whole pratyaya will go away. He in Madhyama Purusha, so he adesha happens. Ser hyapiccha. So then utascha pratyayad asanyoga purvat. This is an u. The u is a part of shnu pratyaya. Therefore pratyaya ukara, pratyaya avayava ukara. And it is asanyoga purva. U is not preceded by a sanyoga. Therefore उतश्च प्रत्ययाद असंयोग पूर्वात् इति हे लुक् शृणु then णत्वा शृणु शृणुतात्. If it is आशीहि optionally तुह्यो स्तातन्, therefore शृणुतात्. Simple. Then lot shunu plus mip, uttama purusha, mip. In the place of mip, mer nihi. So makara gets ni adesha. Then aduttamasya picca iti art agama. That uttama purusha pratyaya gets art agama. Therefore ani. Shunu plus ani. Shunu plus ani, because art is pitta. Even otherwise it is pitta. So art is pitta. Therefore when it is pitta, it cannot be nit. Otherwise sarvadhatukam apit nit. This is useful for ava and ama. So guna sarvadhatukardhadhatukayoho iti gunaha. Shano plus ani guna. Then au adesha shranavani. So anyway, let me write. then guna, shno plus ani, then shno plus ani, shno ani, shunavani, then natva, shunavani, shunavani. Likewise, shunavava and shunavama. Shunavani, shunavava and shunavama. Even in lung, shuvaha shrucha will work. And then at agama, ashrunot, ashrunotam, ashrunvan, etc. In ashrunvan, you get hushnu sarvadhatuke. Ashrunot, ashrunotam, ashrunvan, ashrunoho, ashrunotam, ashrunota. Then ashrunoho, ashrunotam, ashrunuta, then ashrunavam, not ashrunvam. Ashrunavam. Adesha. So then adesha, sh, nu plus then guna. Yeah, ashruno plus then ashrunavam. Yeah, ashrunavam, ashrunuva, yeah, ashrunuva or ashrunuva, and ashrunma and ashrunuma, both are there because lopaschasya anyatarasyam moha. Ashrunavam, ashrunuva or ashrunma, ashrunuva, ashrunuva or ashrunva, ashrunuma or ashrunma. You can find out yourself. So lung, then vithi ling. In ling also you get shuvaha shrucha because it is also sarvadhatuka. So we will do it. So lingaha tip adesha, shu plus tip, and then itascha iti ikarasya lopo bhavati. Then shuvaha shrucha, since it is sarvadhatuka, kartari sarvadhatuke, shuvaha shrucha iti shru nu ta. Then yasut parasmai padeshu dato nicha iti yasut shru nu yas iti bhavet. Then what will happen? This is nit. Because yasut parasmai padeshu dato nitya iti, this whole thing will become nit. Therefore, it won't cause guna. Kengiti cha iti, this sarvadhatuka guna will not happen. Yeah. So shunu yas. Then what will happen? Sakara. Iya will not come because ato yeyaha. Yas ityasya I adesha will happen only after akar. Ataf parasya eva yas ityasya I adesho bhavati. Atra akaraha nasti. Atra ukaraha asti. Tasmat ato yeyaha iti na bhavet. Therefore, it will remain yas. Then sakara will go. How?
Not for
No, not scope.
Shape.
Is
Yeah. Lingasalopo nantyasya.
Lingasalopo.
This is anantya sakara of ling. It will go. Yeah. Anantya sakara of ling will go. So sarvadhatuka ling. If it is sarvadhatuka ling, the anantya sakara goes away. Therefore, no yat and natva shanuyat. Similarly, shanuyatam, then shanuyuhu. So in shanuyuhu, shanuyat, shanuyatam is simple.
Shunuyuhu. Bahuvachan.
Shanuyuhu, yas plus us. Then sakara will go away. Ya plus us. Lingasalopo anantyasya iti sakara will go away. Then us. Then what is the sutra? Usyapadantat. Apadantat avarnat parasya. Usi pare. Pararupa ekadesho bhavati. So, shnu yus. A and u. This will combine to and only one will remain. U pararupa ekadesha. Therefore, shnuyus, shnuyuhu, shnuyat, shnuyatam, shnuyuhu, shnuyaha, shnuyatam, shnuyata, shnuyam. There also ya plus savarna dirgha, shnuyam, shnuyava, shnuyama, simple. Shnuyatam, shnuyuhu, shnuyaha, shnuyatam, shnuyata, shnuyam, shnuyava, shnuyama. Shu plus
yes.
yeah. Here you don't get shuvaha shrecha. Shuvaha shrecha won't work because ashirling is ardha dhatuka. Ashirling is ardha dhatuka. Therefore, shuvaha shrecha will not work. It will remain shu. Shu plus tip. Shu plus takara. Then yasut. Shu yasat. Then what will happen? Akrit sarvadhatukayor dirghaha. Right? Akrit sarvadhatukayor dirghaha. What does the sutra say? Changasya dirghaha yado pratyaya pare nato krit sarvadhatukayor. Means kriti pare sarvadhatuke cha pare. Kriti sarvadhatuke cha yakarado pratyaye pare ajantangasya dirgho na bhavati. Anyatha yadi yakaradihi pratyayo vartate tada ajantasyangasya dirgha syat. So therefore shu becomes a shu. Shu plus yas akrit sarvadhatukayor dirgha. This is yadi pratyaya. So shu yas plus then score sanyogadyor antecha. Lingasaloponantyasya won't work here because it is for sarvadhatuka. Yas, this Ashirling is Ardha Dhatuka. Therefore, Lingasya Loponantyasya does not work here. Sko Sanyogadyorante cha iti Sakarasya Lopaha. Shuyat. Shuyat. Shuyastam. Vivachana Sakara will not go because it is not Anta. It is not Padanta. Or Chal does not follow. Therefore, Shuyastam, Shuyasuhu, Shuyaha, Shuyastam, Shuyasta, Shuyasam, Shuyaswa, Shuyasma. Simple. Then Lung.
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 Yeah. What will happen in lung? Shu plus ti, tip, shu plus takara. Then shu plus, of course, shuvaha shucha will not work here. Instead of that, we get what another, already another vikarana comes in lung. That is why shuvaha shucha will not work. What is the vikarana? Chli lungi. Chli lungi. Then chle sich. So, shu plus sich plus takara. Shu plus s plus takara. Then astisicho pratyay iti eat. Shu plus sakara plus eat.
Tasya hal eat.
Yeah. Then, yeah, see, Sichi Vruddhif Parasmai Padeshu. Right, people are, we are looking into lung form. Shu plus sich plus takara. Then astisicho pratyay iti eat. Shu plus sakara plus eat. This is apratta.
It eat.
Therefore, eat. Now, Sichi Vruddhif Parasmai Padeshu. Shau. So, eat. Sichi Vruddhif Parasmai Padeshu iti. Then, At Agama. Lung 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 Shvadudattaha. Ashau eat. Then here Adesha Pratyayoho. Ashau sheet. Ashau sheet. Ashau sheet. Ashau sheet. You don't get it. Ashaushtam. Ashaushtam, because Shtutva will happen. So Shakara, then Tam, Ta becomes a Ta. Shtuna Shtuhu. Ashaushit, Ashaushtam, Ashaushuhu. Ashaushihi, Ashaushtam, Ashaushta, Ashausham, Ashaushva, Ashaushma. Then Drangalakara, Ashoshyat, Ashoshyat, Ashosyatam, etc. The forms of Shu dhatu. We have to know where shu, where u comes, where r comes. We should know. Shnoti. It is not shunoti. Shrunoti. 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 Not shru. See, for many people there is no difference. Shrunoti. See, r is pronounced by some people as ru. They don't know the difference. We have to be careful while pronouncing the words. Next is this read the forms. Shunvaha, Shunuvaha. This we have seen before. उतश्च प्रत्ययाद संयोग पूर्वात् असंयोग पूर्वात् प्रत्ययोतः खेर्लुक् शृणु शृणुतात् शृणुतं शृणुत गुण अवादेशौ शृणवाणी. See, guna avadesho. This is for Shrunavan. Ani, Shrunu plus Ani, guna happens. Then avadesha. Shrunavava, Shrunavama, Ashrunot, Ashrunotam, Ashrunvan, Ashrunoho, Ashrunotam, Ashrunuta, Ashrunavam, Ashrunavam, Ashrunva, Ashrunuva, Ashrunma, Ashrunuma, Shrunuyat, Shrunuyatam, Shrunuyuhu, Shrunuyaha, Shrunuyatam, Shrunuyata, Shrunuyam, Shrunuyava, Shrunuyama, Shruyat, Ashroshit, Ashroshyat. So, iti shodhatoho rupani. Itaf param gamal dhatu. Gamal gatau. Read, go to Dhatu Patha. Dhatu Pathe Kim Likhitam
45.
See, some people pronounce this as lr, but it is not lr, it is l. Yeah. See, when you say gamr, it is not gamr. There is no repa. It is l. See, this is r. This is l. So don't pronounce it as lr. If you say it is lr, there will be lakara
And
plus repa. Plus repa. It is not lakara and repa. There is only one thing that is lakara, l. Yeah. There is a form of lakara in it, not repa. There is no repa. This has the hal bhakti of this. See, these two are special. Let me discuss these two once again. See, r and l. These two are two special kind of vowels
Swara.
in Sanskrit, because this has two bhaktis. These two have two bhaktis. One is called Ajja Bhakti. Ajja Bhakti. Another is called Hal Bhakti. So these two comprise of Ajja Bhakti and Hal Bhakti. The Ajja Bhakti of this is we cannot write it. There is no script. Is the Ajja Bhakti for both. Hal Bhakti is this is Rekha and for this Lakara. Yeah. This is the Hal Bhakti. Ajja Bhakti is we cannot pronounce it. That's why I am not trying. It's not U. It is yeah, yeah. So there is an Ajja Bhakti. Whatever I have to okay. So now if you say this is R, if you read it as R, then you are including two Hal Bhaktis instead of one Hal Bhakti. It is not correct. So you will understand why it is so when you look into the deeper grammatical discussions. So yeah, it has only one Hal Bhakti, not two. So don't pronounce it as R. It is, see, R is different. Lakara plus Rakara. This is Lakara plus Rakara. That is different. So this should not be written like this. This should be with like this. It is different. This is different. Yeah. So be careful while. In Samskrita, everything is precise. There is no room for vagueness. Everything is precise. Which is what letter? It's all precise. Anyway, I will tell only these people. Other people, you don't have to correct if they are not your students. Anudatta,
Udati.
Udatti. The L is Udatta. This is the L is Anunasika. That is why it is Udatta. Udatta and Anunasika. So it is it. So only Gam remains. Upadeshe Janunasika it tasya lopaha. Only Gam remains. Gam has the meaning of Gamanam, going. Mathe Gam dhatuhu prayuchyate. Saha. 6-3-1.
Shiti.
Shiti
Angasya.
Angasya. Ishu Gami Yama अंगानाम अंत्यस्य. By alontyasya we get antyasya. Alontya paribhashaya. Sthane chaha. Chaha is chakar. Adeshaha. Shiti प्रत्यये pare. Pratyaya we have to understand because of angasya. Shiti pratyaya pare. Ishugami yamam anganam
Antyasya.
antyasya sthane chaha adesho bhavati. Chakaraha adesho bhavati. Shiti pratyaya pare. Read the book. Ishugamiyamam chaha.
Ishugamiyamam chaha.
Yesham chahasyat.
Chahasyat.
Shiti.
Shiti.
So ishu is ishu ichchayam dhatu. Ishu ichchayam dhatu. And gam dhatu. And yam dhatu. So yam dhatu is yama uparami dhatu. Bhadigana. So that is why yam dhatu becomes yachati. Ishu dhatu becomes ichchati. Yeah, because of
Cha.
this.
Cha.
Yeah.
Cha adesha.
Cha adesha. Checha. Checha. Tuk. Agar. Plus tip. Shap. Kartari shap. Gam plus a ti. This is a shit. So shiti pare ishugamiyamam chaha iti makarasya sthane chakaraha adesho bhavati. Gaccha. Gaccha. Chakar. Ati. Now checha iti tuk. Datta cha ati. Gata cha ati. Tuk aga. Checha. Number 61. 61.
6173.
Gata cha ati. No takara. What will happen? Stoha stunashtu. Iti shutva.
Cha.
So ta becomes a
Cha.
cha. Gaccha ati. That will become gacchati. Similarly, gacchataha, gacchanti, gacchasi, gacchataha, gacchata, gacchami, gacchavaha, gacchamaha. Simple. Vattavasani nataraja
Nanadadakam navapanchavaram Uddhattu kamassanakadi siddhan Etat vimarshe shivasutrajalam